Hello YouTube, this is a video to show you a technique on how to replace the springs on your starter clutch on the old vintage Hondas. And a lot of these old Japanese have the same system. You're gonna need about 2 flatheads. You're gonna need a magnet. Uh, Ideally one of these that you can angle. You're gonna place your roller bearing. If you can see here, it's not in the middle, it's slightly up. That way when you go to insert it, it's going to clear this lip right here. First thing you need to do is grab your spring, try to center it in there. It might take a couple tries. It's magnetized. See, this one came out. Just keep trying until you get it at least in the hole right there. And then with one of your flatheads, you're going to compress it. The other one, you can guide it into position. Might take a couple tries, so don't get frustrated. This is to avoid removing these 3 screws, which are a pain to get out. There we go. Or if your flathead doesn't fit, you can try using one of these hooks. Once you get it in there, you just gotta wiggle it in so it goes all the way in. It's almost there. There you go. Now you hold it in place. Hold it in place like that, the spring. And notice again how the roller is slightly up so you can clear. And you're just gonna put it in there, see, like that. Just push it in. It's in there already. Release your spring and voila. Nice and easy. I did all 3 like that without removing these 3 screws. Or you can go the hard way and remove these. But remember that these are pressed right here, so they might be stripped because they have center punch to lock them in place. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.